Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the Hopper booking platform. In this comprehensive Hopper review, we'll delve into the functionalities of this popular travel booking application. Hopper utilizes AI to help users secure the best deals on flights, hotels, and car rentals. For those prioritizing affordability and flexibility in their travel plans, Hopper is designed with you in mind. The app's predictive algorithm is its central feature, analyzing millions of flight and hotel prices daily to forecast optimal booking times. Hopper provides clear-cut recommendations, advising users on whether to book immediately or wait for a potential price drop. This feature is particularly valuable for budget-conscious travelers seeking maximum savings without the need for constant price monitoring. A standout feature of Hopper is the price freeze option. By paying a small deposit, you can lock in a favorable price, ensuring you can book at the frozen rate even if prices subsequently increase. Another helpful feature is the customizable notification system. Once you've entered your travel details, Hopper will send alerts whenever prices decrease, ensuring you don't miss out on a great deal. Hopper extends its predictive insights and price monitoring capabilities to hotel bookings as well. Users can refine hotel searches based on criteria such as location, star rating, and amenities. Similarly, Hopper's car rental feature operates on the same principles, making it a versatile tool for all your travel planning needs. Hopper boasts a clean and intuitive user interface, making navigation effortless, even for first-time users of booking platforms. The app also provides in-app customer support, a valuable asset if you require assistance during the booking process. It's important to note, however, that Hopper primarily operates as a mobile app, with no desktop platform currently available, which may not suit all users. In conclusion, Hopper is an excellent choice for travelers looking to leverage smart tools for saving money on flights, hotels, and car rentals. Its predictive algorithms, price alerts, and flexibility-focused features distinguish it within the competitive booking platform landscape. If you're interested in exploring Hopper, be sure to check out the links provided in the description below. Thank you for watching.